हेलो फ्रेंड्स, हमने इतनी सारी ब्यूटीफुल स्टोरीज और पोएम्स पढ़ी और कितना कुछ सीखा। आज एक नई चीज़ सीखेंगे। इंटेलिजेंट बनो मगर ओवर स्मार्टनेस अच्छी नहीं होती। और ये हमें कौन सिखाएंगे? कुकू द कॉकरोच। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, I am Cuckoo the cockroach. You will find me nice and interesting, and I am beautiful. There can be no doubt about that. The place where I live has a very nice lady, but let me tell you about my birth and my family members first. ये है हमारा Cuckoo the cockroach. A kitchen is the favorite place for us to live. And the one with not very clean places is the best place we can find. You see, we live in dirty places so that others can live in clean places. Look what a great sacrifice we do make. अब गंदी जगह पे रहते हो और कहते हो कि हम दूसरों के लिए sacrifice कर रहे हैं। Over smartness है ना? आगे देखते हैं। When I was born, I was small and cute, and my parents were looking for a new home. In the kitchen of this house, we found the cupboard and it seemed to us a perfect place to live. The lady of the house seemed very friendly. She least bothered about our presence and we thought that she was the gentlest lady in the world. But then, one day, she took out a spray. She called it the hit spray and sprayed it all over my family. In no time, all my family members were sent to heaven. मतलब सबकी डेथ हो गई थी. I saw all this from a distance because at that sad hour, I was not with my family. All of a sudden, I was all alone in this wide, wide world. I was very scared of the lady, so I kept myself in hiding all the time. I would go out only in the dead of the night because I could not live without food for long. I was scared all the more when I heard the lady telling her friend that she had killed all the cockroaches with one gush of the spray. हमारे घर में भी कई बार हमारी मम्मी क्या करती हैं, हिट डालती हैं मच्छर मक्खी और कॉकरोच भगाने के लिए। तो इससे उसे बहुत डर लगा कुकू को. I needed to search a safer place for myself, which I found under the sink. It was certainly a nice place for me, as there was plenty of food and nobody bothered about me there. Soon I grew into a healthy soul and lived peacefully. अब जो हमारा किचन सिंक है वहाँ पे इतने सारे डिशेस धुलते हैं तो कुछ ना कुछ फूड पार्टिकल्स तो रह ही जाते हैं ना, तो कॉकरोच के लिए तो वो बहुत बढ़िया जगह थी. I was once again scared one day when the lady started cleaning the kitchen. She cleaned the kitchen not very often. I looked at her cleaning the gas stove, the cupboards, and all those things which she did not clean daily. अब स्टार्टिंग में ही हमें कुकू ने क्या बताया था कि ये लोग गंदी जगह पे रहना ज़्यादा पसंद करते हैं. So I looked at her through the holes of the sink, waiting for my end. उसको लगा अब तो मुझे भी हिट के स्प्रे से मार देंगी. The lady seemed to be in a good mood. I was sure she had spotted me, but she did not do anything. She did not even clean the sink. I started to consider the lady nice and gentle. She now seemed kind to me. Obviously, अगर मुझे देखने के बाद भी उसने नहीं मारा तो kind ही तो होंगी ना वो lady. But I did not want to be deceived like my parents. To check if she was really kind and merciful, I ran from one corner of the kitchen to another before her very eyes. But she did not do anything to harm me, nor did she bring her spray. I was sure now that the lady understood it well that a life is a life and she had no right to destroy it. Moreover, cockroaches have been on the earth much before humans were born. So we have better right to live and enjoy ourselves. Not only this, we eat little and are far smaller than them. And it is the duty of all the strong and the big to be kind and merciful to the weaker souls. My life seemed to be quite settled and peaceful. The lady did not seem to bother about me a bit. Looking at her gentleness, I have decided to venture out in the kitchen when the lady comes in tomorrow morning. I shall pay her my respects. अब इंटेलिजेंस तो थी कि उस लेडी के सामने जाकर देखे तो सही कि वो मुझे मारती है या किसी तरह का नुकसान पहुंचाती है कि नहीं, लेकिन ओवर स्मार्टनेस ये थी कि उस लेडी के सामने एक कॉर्नर से दूसरे कॉर्नर पे भागो और जब उन्होंने कुछ नहीं किया तो ये तसल्ली कर लो सोच करके कि वो तो अब मुझे मारेंगी ही नहीं, क्योंकि शायद उन्हें समझ आ गया है कि हम कॉकरोच इंसानों से पहले इस धरती पर आए थे और जितने भी बड़े लोग हैं उनकी ये ड्यूटी बनती है कि वो हम छोटे जानवरों को प्रोटेक्ट करें। पर क्या ऐसा हुआ? So when the cockroach decided that I shall pay her my respects and say her, hello, I shall also thank her for her kindness. It is already late at night and I have to do the important job of meeting the lady, so I must sleep now. I shall write any further after my meeting with the lady. May God bless her. Postscript. पोस्टस्क्रिप्ट जानते हैं क्या होता है? अगर आप कोई लेटर या मान लो कुछ भी लिख रहे हैं और कोई चीज़ आप लिखना भूल गए तो जो आप उसको बाद में लिखते हैं उसे हम कहते हैं पोस्टस्क्रिप्ट। तो कॉकरोच ने कहाँ तक लिखा था? मे गॉड ब्लेस द लेडी। नाउ पोस्टस्क्रिप्ट सेज एडेड बाय द लेडीज सन, अनफॉर्चुनेटली कुकू कैरीड आउट हिज प्लान. He came out and stood near the gas stove when my mother came to the kitchen. He wished her, but my mother could not see his friendly gestures. She immediately took out the spray and in one hit, Cuckoo's soul accompanied the souls of his family members. अब अगर उसके सामने आकर के खुद ही खड़ा हो जाएगा तो वो लेडी क्या करेंगी? अब उनको तो नहीं पता ना कि कुकू सिर्फ हेलो करने आया है। और वैसे सच पूछो तो हमें कॉकरोच अपनी किचन में बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए, बीमारियां फैलाते हैं। तो वो लेडी क्या करती? हिट के स्प्रे से कुकू भी अपने बाकी फैमिली मेंबर्स के पास हेवन में पहुंच गया। तो इंटेलिजेंट बनो, ओवर स्मार्ट नहीं।